Many newbies to cryptocurrency just buy assets and retain them for the long term, hoping for prices to rise. Others who are smarter attempt to capitalize on the high rewards provided by some wallets. However, there are numerous additional ways to grow your crypto assets. First, what exactly is passive income? Well, it is the ability to profit from latent assets while doing virtually nothing. And Kucoin simplifies passive income. If you're solely been trading and storing cryptocurrency on Kucoin, I'm here to inform you there's a better way. This cryptocurrency exchange provides its users with far more options for passive income than meets the eye. But before we get fully into that, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Having stated that, there are numerous ways to get passive income by Kucoin, and we will be looking at all of them in this video. As previously said, Kucoin has swiftly become one of the most powerful exchanges for exchanging altcoins. However, investors who regard it as the only exchange are doing themselves a disservice. Smart investors will have noticed that Kucoin's team has been releasing lots of new profit-generating products. The first method for earning passive money on Kucoin is through lending. On the Kucoin platform, lending is the most popular way to generate passive revenue. Kucoin Lending now offers over 90 digital assets for lending, including those not usually seen on other crypto lending platforms. Until now, USDT lending has been the most popular among traders. Among these tokens are more established coins such as ETH and SOL, as well as meme coins such as SHIB. Unlike traditional financial institutions, which continue to have high entry barriers due to credit check requirements, regulations, outdated technology, and so on, the crypto lending market makes it easier to lend and borrow swiftly and easily. Borrowers must put up collateral to qualify for a loan, so your investments are safe. Lenders on Kucoin can choose between manual lender and auto lender. Which option you prefer is determined by your understanding of how it works and your tastes. One concern with lending is the rapid payback of loans. This occurs when someone borrows for a length of time and then repays the amount considerably faster, say within a few hours. In such cases, the manual lend option is not optimal because the earning time is short. The auto lend option, on the other hand, ensures that your chosen crypto asset is always available for lending. Users must, however, specify the daily interest rate and check periodically to ensure that their rate has been accepted so that the loan can be executed. Lending terms range from 7 to 14 days. You can also make passive money on Kucoin by participating in the KCS bonus. Users that hold KCS, Kucoin's native coin, are generously rewarded for their loyalty and support of the exchange. There are numerous advantages to buying and holding KCS, but 4 stick out. First, if you use KCS to pay for trading expenses, you will receive a 20% discount. The second reason is that simply holding KCS for at least 6 months will allow you to accumulate extra tokens. The exchange offers a KCS bonus program in which KCS holders receive 50% of trading fees. Another reason is that the quantity is limited to 200 million coins, and Kucoin has stated plans to burn 100 million, or half of the current supply. In theory, such a shift would quadruple scarcity, increasing demand. 4. KCS will power the KCC public chain, which has been constructed by Kucoin and KCS supporters. KCS inherent value is likely to rise as more use cases arise in the KCC ecosystem, such as the DEX, NFTs, and others. You can further increase your source of passive income by staking with Kucoin. Staking with Kucoin is a simple process. Proof of stake is a consensus technique that is distinct in a form and superior to standard proof of work consensus. Proof of work secures a network by requiring miners to spend on hardware and energy. The reason for this is that if you're invested significantly in safeguarding the network, attempting to undermine the same network is against your best interests. Proof of stake follows a similar concept. Although it does not necessitate large investments, when you invest in and keep a particular token, the logic goes that it is your best interest for that token to succeed. To put it another way, why jeopardize your investment? Pool X is used for Kucoin staking. Staking users get staking money with significant annualized rates, as well as daily POL mining income. POL is Pool Native X's token. Users can also select between flexible and present staking periods. As the term suggests, flexible indicates that users do not need to commit their staked amount to a specific staking time. In contrast, set staking periods of 21, 30, or 90 days are required. Another fantastic method is to have Trading Bot do the work for you. The Kucoin Trading Bot is a new application designed to help users from all walks of life Automate trading. The trading bot presently supports 4 basic methods for beginners to more experienced traders: spot grid trading, futures grid trading, dollar cost averaging, DCA, and smart rebalance. Spot grid trading is the most basic approach available. That is what makes it so user-friendly for beginners. The strategy divides your investment into different grids. It then positions buy and sell orders. Essentially, it works by selling when the maximum price objective is attained and purchasing when the minimum price target is reached. Aside from being entirely automated, another major advantage of this method is that it eliminates the emotional component. Human decision-making is heavily influenced by emotional cues. As a result, using the bot to maximize earnings based on predefined conditions might be a highly profitable trading strategy. Futures grid trading is a hybrid strategy that combines grid and futures trading. As a result, it continuously receives gain from grid trading, mitigating some of the volatility in the cryptocurrency market. This strategy, whether long or short, protects investors from abrupt downturn and upturns. Furthermore, the bot performs inside the preset custom parameters due to the automation and programming design. This makes it appropriate for use by investors who lack the necessary experience to trade futures contracts. Investors can also use the advanced capabilities to make stop-loss orders so they don't have to monitor the market all the time. Dollar cost averaging is a basic approach for all new crypto investor in the volatile market. It's also ideal for those who wish to reduce the emotional component of trading. DCA works by taking your investment, spreading it out over time, and investing at regular intervals. For instance, if you have $1,000 to invest each month, you might DCA $250 per week. All of this may be automated by the trading bot, allowing your investment to increase without you having to do anything. Manually applying DCA once a week might work for investors. However, if you want to DCA into a position daily, the trading bot is your greatest buddy. Regardless of whether the market swings up or down, the bot removes the emotional component of timing your buy orders by executing daily purchases on your behalf. Smart rebalance is another traditional investment method that is convenient for customers who wish to create their portfolio and not have to constantly monitor it. As a result, this strategy is best suited for long-term investors rather than day traders. The Smart Rebalance bot works by maintaining the percentages assigned to individual cryptocurrencies in your portfolio. For example, suppose you have 4 assets in your portfolio and have allocated the percentages evenly at 25% each. However, if the price of a single asset increases by more than 50% while all others remain unchanged, it may be appropriate to disperse those profits across all of your other holdings. The Smart Rebalance bot accomplishes this purpose automatically with no user intervention required. Lastly, you can earn passively through the Kucoin affiliate program, which pays out over time. Most affiliate networks give a one-time payment of $30 to $50 in Bitcoin to affiliate partners. Kucoin, on the other hand, offers a significant payout program for every referral who ends up trading on the site. Specifically, for each referee that trades, you collect up to 40% in trading fees and commission for the length of their Kucoin trading. The tools and strategies described in the video are part of the Kucoin Exchange's current offerings. However, the team is already hard at work on another game changer that will help investors generate a continuous stream of income. While passive income choices can enable consumers who don't want to keep an eye on their portfolio 24 hours a day to produce consistent returns, no investment is risk-free. As a result, before plunging into deep waters, please conduct your study on each alternative. Remember that practice makes perfect. You'll be more likely to produce a continuous source of revenue in the long run if you gain more hands-on experience. And we've come to the end of this video. If you found this video useful, smash the like button and don't forget to tap the subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. We will see you in the next video.